What's up guys? Welcome back to another Makeup Artist Monday. It's artistry like BAM! Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning back in this week. So this week I wanted to go over something really quick with you guys, and that is what foundations do I keep in my professional kit? I get asked all the time, what kind of foundations do I carry? How many do I carry? What shades do I carry? And so that's kind of what we're going to go over today. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned and I'll see you soon. Alright, so I get asked all the time, what kind of foundations do I carry? And that's what we're going to go over right now. So I'm going to start with palettes first. I do carry two foundation palettes in my kit. So the first one that I carry is the Graftobian High Definition Glamour Cream Foundation Kit. This is in the palette Warm number 2. I really like this one because it has a lot of really beautiful warm shades in them. Really good for medium to almost deeper skin tones depending on how deep you're working. This is really great for really tan skins. I can use this for concealer, for foundation, and it looks really beautiful, and like it says, it's high definition. So the shades look like this. You can see that they're a little bit warmer than my skin tone, so this works for more medium to darker skin tones, which I really love. So this is the High Definition Glamour from Graftobian. I also carry the MAC Full Coverage foundations. This one comes in warm and cool shades. This is a staple for a lot of artists in their kit. This can be used full coverage, or it can be sheared down with moisturizers, oils, and be used in a lower capacity, something a little bit softer, and I really like this for that. I use these all the time for concealer shades. I use it all the time for bronzer shades, or under the eye to give it a little bit of brightness. These work in a lot of different capacities, so I keep this in my kit because I never know when I'll need it or what shade I might use to kind of mix or custom blend my talent or brides or whoever I'm working with foundation color. So this is the MAC Full Coverage Palette. You can get this at macpro.com. I believe it's around $120, but don't quote me on that. It does change depending on your pro discount and your level. So check that out. This is from maccosmetics.com. The other foundations that I carry in my kit come in this bag like this. I have a bunch of different foundations and I carry them in a clear bag so that I can see them really quickly on set. I can grab a color if I need to really fast, and I can kind of see what I'm working with in here. So there are a couple of different foundations in here that I really love working with. One of the foundations that you've seen me review on this channel before is the Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation. I absolutely love this foundation for bridal work. This works really beautiful because it's a medium to low coverage. It kind of provides a very natural glowy finish to the skin, and I really like it because it's very easy to work with. It provides a nice long wearing coverage, and it works on a lot of different skin tones. So I have this in a couple of different shades, I think in about 5 different shades. So I do like to custom mix a lot of my foundations for my clients, but I am not super wealthy, so I cannot afford every single foundation in the world, but I do like to carry a nice blend of more middle of the road foundation and then a lot of high-end foundations to kind of customize my client's budget or skin type or preference. So I do carry a lot of these foundations, and you can see them in a couple different shades. I have them in neutral shades and in warm shades so that I can kind of mix around. So that is the Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation. I really like that one. I also use the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Plus. This was a really good foundation for summer and humid months. This one's really nice because it goes in the skin, locks in, it's matte, and it also kind of sets kind of like a waterproof, water resistant foundation. This works really well. I have this in a lot of different colors as well. Another foundation that is a staple in my kit that I have in a ton of different colors is the Cover FX Power Play Foundation. This one's really nice because it is a medium to full coverage, very full coverage foundation that you can build in light layers and get a pretty rich full coverage out of it. Once it sets, it sets. There's like 78% pigment in these foundations, so the pigment concentration is really high, which is really nice if you're doing tattoo coverage or any kind of work where you need a little bit of coverage and you can kind of blend it out. A little bit does go a long way. So I have this foundation in a lot of different colors because I really love this foundation. It looks beautiful on high definition, it photographs beautiful, and it wears beautiful. So Power Play by Cover FX, beautiful. And these these are vegan and cruelty free as well, which is really nice. Oh, another really great one that I want to show you guys is, this isn't a foundation per se, but this is something that helps me elevate my artistry, and I do a lot of airbrush on set and for bridal, and so I don't carry a lot of airbrush foundations in my kit. If I do, I really do like the Graftobian airbrush foundations. Those are really beautiful, but they tend to dry more of a wet kind of glossy finish, so you do have to set them really well. To kind of combat that and to stop carrying so many different foundation formulas in my kit, I found this really amazing product by Sean Richards London, who is another makeup artist based out of London, and she has this product called 4K Wet. This is really nice because you can take a couple drops of this, a little bit of your foundation, and mix it together and custom blend your own airbrush foundation. This also allows me to create any custom pigments, anything like that too. So I'll use my Danessa Myricks Color Fix eye colors, cream colors, and I can turn them into airbrush blushes, airbrush eyeshadows, and then I can use even my Dior foundations mixed with a little bit of this, and then make these Dior foundations airbrushable as well. So this is really nice to have in my kit. It stepped my artistry up really amazingly because it allowed me to use my kit more versatile and a lot more widespread. So now I can use any Cover FX shades that I have in an airbrush formula and kind of customize and custom blend that for my client too. So that's kind of what I wanted to go over with you today. Thank you so much for tuning back in this week. Hope you guys really enjoy these videos. I really like making them for you guys. I really like seeing your comments in the weekly comments in every Monday's video. You guys always keep me inspired to do something fun and to show you kind of like what's new and what a professional working makeup artist is using on set, and how I can elevate my artistry and customize for so many different clients where I'm working on different skin types and different models and different talent. And so this allows me to be the best artist that I can be. And I really want to share that with all of you guys so that you can go out and help make smart decisions so that you can elevate your artistry as well. So hope this helps somebody. Until next Makeup Artist Monday, I'll see you guys soon. Please like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. All right guys, bye.